How to fix Airdrop not working on iPhone. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Airdrop if it's not working on your iPhone. Make sure to watch till the end so you don't miss any steps. Let's get started. First, ensure both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are turned on for both devices. Try turning them off and back on again on both iPhones. Airdrop relies on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi to transfer files. Go to Settings on your iPhone, scroll down a bit and tap on General. Here, select Airdrop. Choose Everyone for 10 minutes to receive files from anyone nearby. If using contacts only, make sure the contact is saved correctly on both devices. Somehow, incorrect settings may block Airdrop transfers. Even though Airdrop doesn't require the internet, a stable connection can help in some cases. Check content and privacy restrictions. To do this, go back to Settings, scroll down to very bottom, select Screen Time. Scroll down to Restrictions section. Tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Open the Allowed Apps and Features page. Make sure Airdrop switch is toggled on. Restrictions can block Airdrop functionality. If the issue still persists, try to restart. Restarting can clear minor glitches and refresh connections. A simple restart fixes Airdrop issues in many cases. And that's it! Now you know how to fix Airdrop if it's not working on your iPhone. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful guides. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.